Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to disable the parents page of a WordPress menu. So initially when I created the web pages, I had to set up some of my pages as parent pages of others. For example, I just set up the About Us page as to be the parent page of these three pages, and I set up the training packages page to be the parent page of these other three pages. But the issue is when you visit the website, click on the website and go to visit site, you would notice that when you click on About Us, the link takes you to a page. So what we need to do is disable the link. So for this project, I don't need the link, the About Us page to take me to a post. So we need to disable it. So in order to do that, let's go back to the menus page. In order to do that, we need to create a custom link. So first of all, we need to delete the About Us page from the menu as well as the training packages page. So click on the little drop down and choose remove. That removes the About Us page. And you go to the training packages page and you do the same, remove the page. And then the next thing is on the left, you would see custom links. So what we're going to do is create two custom links. One would be for About Us page, and the other page would be, the other custom link would be for the training packages. So the whole idea of this is the custom link will not link to any URL, so it's not going to open any post on the website. So click on the custom link and then use the # or any text as the URL, but it shouldn't be a valid URL. And then for the link text, it should be About Us for the About Us page. Click on Add to Menu. And then we add a second custom link for the training packages. The URL should be the # and the link text should be training packages. Click on Add to Menu. So the next thing we will do is rearrange this in the same hierarchy that we had it before. So drag the About Us page to right underneath the home page, and then drag the other three pages and set them as sub items like this. And then go do the same for the training packages. Drag the training packages page up, drop it, and then set the other pages as sub items. So once this is done, this is how we want our menu to look like. So you click on save. Now it's saved. So visit site. So you notice that when we click on About Us, nothing happens. This is exactly what we wanted to achieve. When you also click on training packages, nothing happens. It doesn't take you to any link. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.